Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to disable the send photo promote feature in Messenger chat. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First of all, go to phone settings and scroll down, then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for Messenger. Now search Messenger and see, tap on Messenger, tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and now select photos and videos, always allow all. Okay, back and tap on camera, allow. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Messenger, tap on Messenger. Now check update your Messenger app. My Messenger app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and now open your Messenger and select anyone, tap on camera icon and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.